Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So just now I have received the parcel. So I wanted to show you all what did I order from Amazon. Booking well ahead, but I wanted to show you guys. So let's see. Nakupilo ma? Can you all guess? It's a photo wallpaper. I have ordered this from Amazon. Napakangkong ko. Like I think there is like 30 to 40 piece to one that la walong the piece she can have lang may pick. These are all the pictures. Like ang little sa may order chipulote. You can just comment down like link ng pita punoy and I'll share you the link. Hi, hello. Doping ah. And then so most of the time I make my vlogs in English language, but I think most of you don't like it because there are some of the guys who have been commenting ng Karbi Kalima, Karbi Alam Tema. They were commenting this and that, and even a guy in Facebook texted me, I unsubscribed to your channel because ng Karbi Ninjiji. So I will try my best to make my vlogs in my own language. Active lo and then ni dakpabonelo jo. Intip elo aja lo inki pabonelo. So non ke nila walong ke paste populo. So I wanted to show you all. Kusang dan si ke paste ke image ni matha dekte den. Like maybe here or here. I think asal so ang song ke paste image on. Okay. Sakit habang coba lahay dolang matira. He take what la cotton pad nang kaging this like easy lo until I feel like la arthat pin an la easy that's why need black thing. This is how I do ready. This one tap I make it too. After this I'm gonna apply this serum. Done. Now the third step. Okay, now moisturizer. Last but not the least, okay, next, sunscreen. It is very important. So SPF is very important for every one of us, no matter you are a girl, a boy, or whatever. But sunscreen is very important. So I'm using this sunscreen from the brand Key. So sunscreen here, it says it doesn't leave any white cast. Like I hope if you apply it like with no moisturizer, with no serum bulute, la white cast of it. But after applying serum inke moisturizer, la hai anjat apply it a p blend bulute white cast to copy. But thang the, ame thang she adjust that bulke. You just have to blend it. La sab sab do matidi la hai akilo. This is called white cast. And the super mathanang ni ametang silik. After like 1 minute, ametang she set up that day. I think everyone loves this. This is a Vaseline. Winter kali sitami my lips. Kahit so chapped, so dry matidi. Kasi I use this. Winter non, summer non. I use lip balms or Vaseline. Lata isi lip serum lo. It's very good, but I have replaced it because it's winter, so I'm using Vaseline. Let's use to though. That's all for my skincare. So it's been 4 to 5 days. I am learning how to knit from my mom. And it's not perfect, angkop though, but still I'm trying. This is what going on in front of my house. It's so disturbing. But ko pisi viun lang natimbang ta. Hem chiki mi pubon hapuni hem adung he. Da sila so long lebang dak sinang kithok. For my breakfast today, I have a roti and a cup of tea. This roti was already prepared by my mom. I woke up so late lasi non ni chipas solo inge kichopo. Sarah achu color ki kori po. This color is mix ba? Mixing half color, half red. Half part is half navy blue. And one part is blue. Red is my soul. Blue is Kalau bang si calon jine jalan banget.